up, guys? My lens is dirty. It's always dirty. Let me clean it. Oh shoot, okay, it's clean now. So right now we are walking to the California Science Museum. We have me, myself, and I. And we got Diego. Say hi, Diego. Hi. We got Marisol. We got Julian. And we got Jay.
I think like last week.
So we're about to have a blast. I haven't been here in like forever, since I was like in elementary school, because we would always come here on field trips. Those were the days. And then we got the Los Angeles Coliseum over there. Over there.
I saw.
But yeah, let's see what kind of things we're gonna find in here. And we're also gonna go see the space shuttle. And you have to make like a, you have to get like a time slot to go see it, because I don't know, but we have to be in there at 11:30, and we just got here and it's already like 11. Let me see. Yeah, it's 11:05. So I'll let you guys go and then see what we're doing inside. Bye. Okay guys, so we have made ourselves inside the building, and right now we're gonna go to the space shuttle, the Endeavor, right?
Oh, look at
the Endeavor. Yeah, that's where we're going. And then after, we're just gonna explore everything.
Wait, I kind of want to do it.
Look, it's the tires. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Those things are huge. Yeah.
Wait, so this is what made it land?
Yeah.
Look at, you can have the tire rips from when it landed.
Oh, big tires. Wow.
This was in space.
I know.
I'm touching space. I'm just kidding.
That's crazy. This been in space, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
I know, right? Nobody.
That is so cool.
Wait, I'm gonna get the whole thing.
Oh yeah, I remember
Why are you scared, Julian?
I don't know.
This is a spinning
We just hit it hard. Whoa!
What is this?
I have no clue.
We're just touching things. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, what's this?
Oh, look at, I'm creating a fan.
Ooh, what's the last one? Ooh.
Bro, look at this. Bro, I'm gonna touch it. Look at the people over there. It looks like they're so far. Look at they look so far away.
Wait, let me go over there. Let me go over there.
Over there, keep on push the camera. You guys are in water. Oh, I see him. He's over there.
Oh, he's right there. You can see the cake.
I had like a kiss from like not even under a week.
And die?
Alright, so we have made our way to the aquatic section. As you can see, there's fishes all over the place. Look at this whole fish. Ooh, cute.
Look at Jay. Hey, look at him.
It looks fake. Let's go this way. to the North Pole. What is it? Oh my gosh, that's really cool. Yeah? Oh, it is. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I thought it was like some form of like.
How that kind of hurts.
I thought it was like slime. That's kind of dumb.
It hurts, huh?
I thought it was something squishy.
Doesn't it hurt?
Yeah.
How cool is this? Wait, oh look, hey! Oh,
You put it up against it, no?
yeah, look it.
Oh, it's blurry.
Wait, dude?
You have it.
Wait, I don't get it. Wait, what's this?
It says, some materials are better than others at keeping out the cold. Taste a few, blah blah blah.
Oh,
blah,
you
blah,
go
blah.
like this and they see if it's cold.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I was something else.
That was it. Oh look!
That's why it's new. Oh yeah, the thing.
Why does it look like it's about to
Smells like the ocean. Look, I think that's creating waves. Dang, look how thick the glass is.
I know.
That's thick.
Like, look how thick.
Wait, we'll go over.
We're about to do an earthquake simulator. Countdown.
We mounted some of the major machinery at the Science Center in the Springs. So if things get a bit shaky, there's a bit more room for movement before things start to break off. We also have an electrical generator for emergency power, so that...
Please say hello to the Manhattan.
Hi, Jules.
Bienvenidos al Mountain Park.
I got that. We're starting. We're starting. Oh no.
Wait,